Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Rocky with a little, it's like mechanical doser. It just came in for a cleaning. There was a good amount of coffee oils and like clumps of grounds that were obstructing the spout, and just like build up in a bunch of different locations. The burrs were replaced pretty recently, so we ultimately didn't end up replacing them. Um, so all I did was clean it out and then recalibrate it. I also recalibrated it, so we put a new sticker in, so it should, the zero should be the tick right before where the burrs touch. So we have that recalibrated. Alright, so here I'm just going to test the machine. Then just going to flip this a couple times. Yep. Probably put too many beans in there. But yeah, there you have it. You have really nice, fine grounds. Alright. Thank you for watching.